G'day guys, I just wanted to show you my garden bed that I'm making here. Just do it yourself garden bed, doing it cheap, doing it myself. What I've used is just 2 bits of pine board clamped together with a 30mm spacer board. So these panels are 600mm long by 30mm wide, as you can see. Just using rapid set cement. Very simple to make, very easy. Anyone can do this, guys. And what I've done here is, you don't have to do this, but I've put in a little piece of concrete, whatever's left over in the bucket. Once I do the mold, I'll put a little bit on both sides here, as you can see, and that just holds this panel in place a bit better. You don't have to do that. You can make these as high or as wide as you'd like as well, or as long. You can make these a lot longer. Yeah, very cool. But as you can see, I'm almost finished now. Very good. These are going to be like strawberry beds, and then I've got a bed at the back. So all this, all that through there, the edging as well. Very cheap. I think all up is, I used about, so far with this bag here, is 10 bags of concrete. About $8.40 or $8.50 a bag. So like $85 worth of concrete. Yeah, just make sure your panels are nice and level, your formwork's nice and level, nice and plumb to the back of the wall or whatever you're doing it with. Ideally use a string line. Yeah, I thought this is a cool idea. Yeah, hope you found this interesting. This is just a quick little video, guys, of what I'm up to in the garden. A little bit off topic to my other content, but I thought you'd be interested in seeing what I'm up to. Cheers, guys.